while writing your research paper or doing an assignment, you want to give the references of all the documents, the books and websites from where you are taking the data, mainly because of the three reasons. One, that you want to give the credit to the original researcher. Second, that you want to make sure that you are not plagiarizing the assignment or your research paper. And thirdly, that you want to ensure that your research is authentic. So in this video, we will learn that how can you cite a website, and also that how you can cite a website in text within your sentence. So for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to take the example of this website. So I'm just going to copy the website link, and then after copying the website URL into your clipboard, you need to come onto this website, which is, I believe, pronounced as Scriber. I'm going to give the link of this website in the description, or else I will show you at the end of this video. However, towards the left side here, you can see there is a citation generator. You need to click on this, and here you will see that in this window you can cite the videos, books, journal articles, online news articles, and also the web page. So you need to make sure that this web page option is selected, and then you have to paste the link which you want to refer in your research, and then you need to click the search option. So after clicking the search option, you need to click this Cite, and there you go. Here you can see that this reference list entry, the name of the author, and then followed by the website URL. Click on this clipboard, and then you can tell this website that whether you want to copy this in Microsoft Word or Google Docs. I'm just going to click Microsoft Word, click clipboard, so it is now copied in my clipboard. So then you need to open your research document within Microsoft Word, go on to the place where you want to put the reference, and then go into the insert endnote, and then you can simply paste this link. So it is going to give the reference as a footnote at the end of your document. You can also do this, that you can copy this in text citation like this one, and then you can go into your document, and then you can paste it here just like that. So this is how you can cite a website with the help of this citation generator, which is available online on this website. The address you can see on the top bar, scriber.com, and then /citation/generator. Thanks for watching.